Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to break down some of the easiest game genres for beginner developers. If you're just starting out with game development, especially in Godot, these genres are the perfect place to begin. By the end of this video, you'll know which simple game types are the best for your first project. Let's kick things off with the easiest game genres. These are great for beginners because they don't require complex mechanics or a lot of coding. 1. Endless Runner. Think of games like Temple Run or Canabalt. The player is always moving forward, and your main task is programming jumping and dodging obstacles. The level is often procedurally generated, meaning it's endless, so you don't need to manually design too many levels. 2. Puzzle games. Games like Tetris or 2048 revolve around a single mechanic, making them super simple to develop. You don't need complex AI or advanced art assets, just some clever level design. 3. Breakout/Arkanoid. If you remember Breakout, it's a simple game where you control a paddle, bounce a ball, and break bricks. The gameplay is physics-based, which makes it fun and easy to implement in Godot. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which one you'd like to try. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more game development tips and tutorials. See you next time.